Good morning, guys. It is July 14th at about 12 o'clock, and today I'm beginning the process of moving out of my apartment. So technically I don't have to be moved out until the 31st, but I want to do it slowly so I don't have to do it all at once, obviously. So I do have to deadlift today. My back is bothering me a little bit. I'm trying to figure out if I want to deadlift at my gym or my university gym, because obviously I have to go up there. But right now I'm just kind of getting my stuff together here. So this is all the stuff that was like in my suitcase and just kind of around my room from Tampa. So I have it all laid out. I have some clothes in these drawers, and then I just have random stuff everywhere. So you guys have seen my apartment. I actually will be filming an apartment tour when I'm there today, and I'm gonna upload it around the time that I'm moving out. I wanted to do one once it was all set up, but the problem was really that when I did the unfurnished like tour, that first vlog that I ever did about my apartment, there were like 10 of you that were like, oh my god, I know where that is, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, okay, maybe I shouldn't bring it up again. So I'm about to head off to the gym now. I haven't been drinking like Bang or caffeine or anything lately, and I've actually been feeling great. It's that time of the month. I got my period like 2 days ago, and the past 2 days I've been having amazing workouts. So I don't know if it's because of that or things are actually going well, but deadlifts are either going to be great or not so great, because my lower back is bothering me because my hip was super tight when I was squatting the other day. I worked up to sets with 160, and I have not worked up to that since like, I don't know, back in December before I got injured. So I was really happy about that. But because my hip was so tight, I ended up using my lower back a lot more because I was loading my hips. So yeah, that's just a little update. But I'm actually excited to deadlift. I haven't deadlifted since last Monday maybe, so it's been like almost 2 weeks because it's Friday now. So we shall see how it goes. So I'm back from the gym now. I just literally did deadlifts, and then for accessory work I just did a bunch of sets of RDLs. That is like the one movement that I've been doing for my glutes, and it also includes your hamstrings. So honestly, I have not trained glutes I think in almost 2 years now, probably like a little bit more than a year and a half, nearing 2 years, and I've been lifting, it'll be for 3 years this September, which is crazy. So I haven't really isolated them. I get a lot of questions about that. I just do a lot of heavy compound movements. Once I switched to powerlifting, like everything kind of exploded because I was doing accessory work, and then I was also doing really, really heavy movements like multiple times a week. So that's how I've found the most growth in my lower body, to be honest. When I first started out, hypertrophy, bodybuilding stuff was perfect. It helped me learn mind to muscle connection, but I eventually got bored of it, hence why I do this stuff now. But I still do my accessories. So I think doing a combination of both is what has given me like the look that I have, and I really, really like the way that I look. I'm naturally like a lean person, but I'm also never in a very, very deep surplus. The goal is to never lose or gain weight super, super fast. So when I first started working out, I was 108 pounds, and now I think right now I'm like 130. I fluctuate between like 130 and 138. It's a very big range, but it just depends on like what's going on in my life at the time, how much I'm eating, and like if I'm going to the gym consistently, because I base all of my food off of my workouts pretty much. So whenever I'm like being really consistent, that tends to be when I am hanging out around like 136, 138. But yeah, I don't know. I like how I look. It's cool. If you guys have any questions about like any of that, just leave them in the comments down below. I'm happy to help. If you guys want me to do any specific videos about like exercises, muscle growth, whatever it is. I have a whole video on gaining weight, building muscle. It's very, very old now, but I think it still works out. But I can always do a new one if you guys want to see that. But we are going to head to my apartment soon. We're actually going to take my mom's car so I don't have to waste my gas. So we're at my apartment, and I have taken down my tapestry, and I've moved all of my stuff that I'm bringing with me. So I'm bringing my entertainment stuff, and then everything that was on it. I'm gonna attempt to bring my big IKEA mirror if it fits in the car. I'm on manual for some reason. Don't know why it does that. And then I'm gonna bring my little rug that goes with my mirror, and then obviously my TV.